My name is Mohamed Khalafalla. I'm graduating from architectural technology. I'll be graduating in 2024. When I was younger, I grew up in Sudan, made bricks. We played soccer with every single thing you imagine. We made our soccer ball from like socks. So you get a tube, you wrap it around socks, you play soccer with it. My dad kind of got an opportunity to go to the capital because he was a farmer. He met a couple friends and they convinced him to apply for like American green card to get to here. And my sister has like seizures and stuff like that. So he decided it was like the best situation to get her medication or like find better medication to come to America. When I came to Hudson Valley, I came with no English. I just know how to say my name, know like the basics. I met Professor Dana, Professor Carl, Professor Wood, and they kind of understood my situation with my English, so they kind of like start helping me understand how stuff work. Even when like we had to present, they didn't put pressure on me or I didn't have to spell correctly. Probably one of the biggest reasons I didn't give up in this program. It was because of them. Everyone is willing in this college to help. Professor Carl helped me with many of my crazy ideas. I start by sketching, start by doing research. If I'm doing like a building in New York City, we did one in Pier 3. So I did a lot of research about it, like the population, residential versus commercial. And I think that kind of just like leads from there. You start sketching and you see what really fits the community. I feel like I'm still a young kid that's finally seeing toys for the first time. Whenever I see like a game or a go-kart or something, I want to design it, I want to build it. Can I make something that's useful? Can I make something that makes people laugh? Can I make something that makes people smile or like joy or whatever? My home village in my country is like in a destruction right now, it's in a war. So I want to elevate it, I want to go back and fix it. Advice I would give to my fellow graduate, I think be kind, be humble, work hard. When people see you work hard, I think they're willing to help you, and especially if you're like down to earth or humble, I think people want to work with you more. I'm grateful for this program. I'm grateful for a lot of people in the room in this college. I met a lot of interesting people, and I think a lot of people that helped me see new stuff, like a new certain way in life. I think I want to help in a certain way, like start elevating the people maybe around me.